All right, we just finished. All right, you're getting going already.
Oh, I thought I was supposed to be.
Yes, you are. We're at the Surgery Center Viera. We just finished a lumbar decompression infusion in this young lady. She had a spondylolisthesis at L3-4 with pinched nerves. And before the surgery, you'd be standing like this and you used to have a lot of pain in your legs, right? Yep. Is that pain still there?
No.
It's gone. You happy about that?
I'm happy.
How happy? Happy enough to dance?
Yes.
All right, let's see it. Woo! Wow! Get down! All right, so we just finished surgery and came out of the OR about, huh? About 3 hours ago. All right, so time is flying. So we're just 3 hours post-op after wheeling out of the operating room with an instrumented lumbar decompression infusion. And this lady is going where? Home! All right. Thank you.